This week, we're going to study a vowel team that says two different sounds. The vowel team is O, O. The vowel team OO says the sound OO, as in the word school. It also says as in the word book. So you can remember the two sounds for OO by remembering school, book. How do I know which sound to use? Well, in order to know which sound to use, you need to be flexible. You need to try it one way, and if it doesn't sound right, then try it the other way. Let's practice being flexible with our sounds. Is this word Luke or look? Try it in a sentence. Did you look for my dog? Now let's try it in another one. Is this shook or shook? Let's try it in a sentence. They shook hands. Let's try being flexible with these words. Is this moon or moon? Try it in a sentence. The rocket can fly to the moon. Try this one. Is this broom or room? Did he sweep the room with a broom? How did you do? You can also use these words with prefixes and suffixes. Here we have the base word room, and if I add the vowel suffix y, it becomes roomy. Now I have a prefix un, a base word hook, and a suffix ed, unhooked. And now I'm going to have a compound word, foot, and another word, print, footprint. One bit of information I wanted to share with you. Did you notice that in the word school has a CH in the word? Usually CH says ch, but in the word school it says k, and that is because it is a Greek word. Anytime you see a CH and it's saying k in a word, you know that the word is from Greece. Did you read the sentence at the bottom of the screen? The sentence says, the school room looked roomy. Vowel team OO has two sounds, so if you don't recognize the word right away, then try it both ways. You can also use the context of the sentence to help you figure out what the word is. I'm sure you'll do well reading with this vowel team.